I've had this endless pool for about a year. It's been one of the best things I've ever had.
For me, swimming is like meditation. The best thing about an endless pool is the convenience of it. I can just jump in and cool off if I want, or I can do some exercise.
If I can do 10 minutes in the morning before I go to work, I feel fairly self-righteous for the day. And then after a hard day in the office, I can come back and unstress by just getting in the pool and letting it all wash over me.
We were looking at a pool for our backyard, but we didn't just want to get a pool that just sat there and no one used. So for us, getting an endless pool was about having a pool the kids can play in, but also a pool where my husband and I can do some exercise in.
You're not swimming up and down and stopping every 15-20 seconds to do a tumble turn, which makes it more like an open water swim, which is good for a triathlon.
It is wonderfully relaxing, and it's also excellent for loosening stiff muscles.
My knee joints are giving in, so I needed some way of exercising that didn't put strain. It's magic.
I'm able to go in whenever I want. I've been able to swim all year round. I can have the temperature as cold or as hot as I want it, and I can have the speed as fast or as slow as I want it, so it's very adjustable to different strokes.
Every time I came in to the endless pool, I made 10 jumps ahead. It was incredible. It got to the point where I was like, oh my gosh, I can actually swim.
It's a time when I can put my suit on, walk down the stairs, climb in the pool, and I'm completely at peace.
An endless pool lets you swim, play and exercise at home, and it's more convenient and affordable than a traditional pool. With endless pools, you'll enjoy the best swim current on the market in a space-saving compact installation. You can choose from a range of models to suit your tastes and lifestyle. Original endless pools have a modular design, so they fit almost anywhere, outdoors or in, even in existing rooms. They integrate beautifully into any space or landscape. Available in multiple sizes with numerous options, they're fully customizable to suit your home and lifestyle. Or experience our all-in-one fitness and exercise systems. Single-shell endless pools with ergonomically designed hydro massage seats will be your year-round choice for sport and leisure. Perfect for your garden, patio or new extension. These models arrive fully assembled for the quickest installation. Whichever you choose, the Endless Pool's compact size means that it's economical to run, simple to keep clean and requires very little chlorine. Ask about our underwater treadmill for low-impact walking and jogging for all ages. Choose the trusted Endless Pool's name. Since 1988, we've installed more than 20,000 endless pools in more than 100 countries for home fitness, therapy and family fun. Request a free Endless Pools idea kit and start realising your dream today.